Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Here in this video, I will be doing an unboxing slash review slash swatching on the SAVILAND gels. And if you're new to my channel, my name is Jess and I do tips and videos. Like I said here in this video, I will be doing an unboxing slash review on these gels from SAVILAND. And also, if you're new to my channel, do not forget to subscribe. Do not forget to turn on the bell so that way you get notified to my upload. And let's get on with swatching and unboxing these gels. So as you can see, this is what the packaging looks like. I love it. I love like the different like art there is on the packaging. So here it says SAVILAND Excelsior Nail Art Gels Professional Nail System. So it does come with 6 colors as you could see, which I'm really excited. This is what the back looks like. So it has the description, the cautions. Here is their social media and all that if you guys want to go ahead and check them out. And also it does have a method of use if you guys have never used gel, if you guys are beginners or whatever the case may be. It also does come with like a little instructions on how to use them, and it also does let you know the capacity and also the unique style you could use them for, as well as for the different combinations you could use them for. So this is again what it looks like. So it does have a little plastic wrap, so I will be going ahead and taking that off, and I will be using my gold vintage scissors to do that. I will also make sure to link them down below, so make sure to go check out the description if you guys haven't yet.
Baby, you don't know what you do to me. Between me and you, I feel like chemistry.
So again, this is what it looks like without the little wrap. So I am gonna be going ahead and taking them out the box, which I'm really excited about. So this is what they look like. So it does come with 6 colors, like I did mention, as you could see. And this is what they look like. So it comes with 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. So this looks like a red, a blue, white, black, gold, and silver, which is perfect. These right here are like your main colors that you would need for anything, whether it's acrylic, gel, or whatever the case may be. And also definitely comment down below if you guys want to see an unboxing slash review on these gels as well. This is what the little colors looks like, so I'm just giving you guys a quick little sneak peek, but definitely comment down below if you guys want to see an unboxing slash review on these gels as well. But back to these, I am gonna be going ahead and opening them because I'm really excited about what they look like, and if they're pigmented or if they're nice, and the consistency is good. So this is what the first one looks like, and look at that. I love this red. It's a really nice red, and look at the brush on that. I think that it's so nice and thin, which is perfect for nail art. If you guys are gonna get these and use these for nail art, look at the point of this brush. It is amazing. So this first one is number 1, and again, can we talk about this packaging? I love like the mirrored cap. I love that it also does have the color like here, like shown on the bottle, because if you guys know, I do display my gels like on the wall on like the little shelf, so I like to see the colors. So this is perfect. I love it. Will definitely come in handy. So again, this is number 1. Here we have number 2, and this is what this one looks like, and this is what the color looks like on this one, which is really nice. It looks super pigmented. I cannot wait to swatch these. And again, this is what number 2 looks like. Here we have number 3, and I believe this is a white, and this is what this one looks like. Again, look at that. It looks really pigmented, and I cannot wait to use these. And again, the brush on it looks so good. So again, this is number 3. Here we have number 4, which I believe is a black, and I cannot wait to see what this one looks like. I definitely want to make sure that it's pigmented. And again, look at this black. It looks really nice. Look at that. And again, this is number 4. Here we have number 5, which kind of looks like a glitter, I believe. I'm not too sure, but yep, look at that. It looks like a really nice like chrome effect type of gel, which looks really nice. I cannot wait to use this. And again, this is in a silver color, and this is number 5. And then here we have number 6, which again, it kind of looks like a gold, I want to say, but this is what this one looks like. It's super nice. It's really pretty, and look at the glitter on that. It's so pretty. So again, this is number 6. So here we have all 6 colors, and also here in the back it does have a little warning. It also does have the website as well as any other cautions down here, as you could see. And also these are AML, and they are also soak off and UV LED activated, so that's how you would cure it. And again, this is all 6 colors. So now I will be going ahead and starting to swatch them. So I will be going ahead and using my nail lamp as well as using some swatch sticks to obviously swatch the colors, and I will make sure to link down below all the products that I use, so make sure to check down below in the description and make sure to use the code as well if it's available. So I will be starting off with swatching the 1 through 6 and then showing you guys what the colors look like.
I won't let no one come and take your place, 'cause the love you give, it can't be replaced. So no one else can do what you do. That's why I spend my life with you. I wanna please you in any way I can. I wanna share my world. Don't you wanna stay?
So this is the first one, and look how pigmented that looks. I absolutely love this red. So I will be going ahead and also curing them for 60 seconds underneath the lamp.
Your love is a 1 in a million. It goes on and on and on. You give all day long. Your love is a 1 in a million. It goes on and on and on. You give me a really good feeling all day.
So this is what the second one looks like. It looks absolutely beautiful, beautiful, beautiful blue. And I will be also curing this for 60 seconds underneath the lamp. So this is what the white looks like. Super, super nicely pigmented. Again, curing it for 60 seconds underneath the lamp. This one is the black, super, super nicely pigmented, as you could see.
Turn me inside out, make my heart beat. Need no one else, you're all I need. Personality, everything.
And this one is what the silver one looks like. Super, super nice.
And you do, it's me love, everything about you. Your smile, your style, so fly. I can't deny, I got a crush on you, that's true. I'm digging you, you make me believe.
And last but not least, this is what the gold looks like. Super, super pretty. And I will be curing them off for 60 seconds underneath the lamp one last time. So here, as you could see, we have all 6 colors, which look absolutely beautiful. Super, super nicely pigmented, as well as very nice consistency, which I feel like is a very, very big factor with having gel polishes. You want to make sure that they're pigmented and that the consistency is good from the gel. And as you can see, this is what they look like. Here is a little from behind if anybody's wondering what they look like, and they cured nicely. So now what I will be doing is showing you guys some designs with them, and I will be using this swatch stick to create some nail art with you guys. So I will be using number 3 and number 5 from the gel collection, as you can see from here, and also I will be showing you guys how to create it. So I will be going in with number 3 and putting it on the entire swatch stick. So just like that, as you could see, I did go in with the white and look how pigmented it looks. Super nice. So I will be going ahead and curing this for 60 seconds underneath the lamp. So as you can see, this is what number 3 looks like on its own. And now I will be going in with number 5 to create some nail art. So again, this is what number 5 looks like. Super nice. And whenever you're doing nail art, especially like very specific, you want to be sure that you don't have too much product on your brush, which is what I'm doing right here, is just simply just taking it off simply on the edge of the actual bottle on the rim to make sure that I don't have too much product, that I'm not overflowing anything. So as you can see, this is what it looks like. Super thin, as you could see. And all I'm going to be doing is outlining it and creating a little French tip on it.
Turn me inside out, make my heart beat, need no one else, you're all I need.
You always want to make sure you're cleaning your sides. So as you can see here, first I did go ahead and do the outline. And now what I will be doing is creating the little French tip.
Personality, everything you do makes me love everything about you. Your smile, your style is so fly. I can't deny, I got a crush on you, and that's true. I'm digging you.
And I kind of do want to create like a deep thick line, so I'm just going to go ahead and keep filling it in until I'm happy.
You make me believe your love is
So as you could see, this is what my little French outline looks like. And I did actually do the lines pretty thick, as you could see, because that's just how I wanted to do it. So before anybody comes at me in the comments that it's too thick, here is what it looks like. And I will be curing it for 60 seconds underneath the lamp. As you can see, this is what all 6 colors look like. Here we have number 3 and number 5. As you could see, just create a quick little nail art for you guys with a little French tip and a color. So as you can see, this is what the little nail art looks like. Definitely comment down below, like I did mention, if you guys want to see an unboxing and a review on this collection, and also if you guys want to see some nail art with it. But this will be the end to this video, and I hope that you guys enjoyed. Definitely comment down below if you guys like the colors, if you guys liked my little nail art. Also, do not forget to check out the description to check out this gel collection. I will all make sure to link it down below, so make sure to go check that out if you guys haven't. And also, do not forget to check down below in the description for any of my social media. Make sure to follow me on Instagram, on TikTok, all that good stuff, as well as do not forget to use any of my codes. And also do not forget to check out my last video, which will also be linked down below, as well as any of the videos that are throughout this one. And again, I hope that you guys enjoyed. I definitely recommend this gel collection because I really think that it's a very nicely pigmented and very nicely formulated as well. So definitely comment down below if you guys also want to see the unboxing and the review on the other collection, so that way I can show you guys the colors and the consistency. Very different from this collection, which are very more like neon colors. So definitely comment down below if you guys want to see that video and me showing you guys the colors and how they work. And I will definitely give this collection a 1 out of 10, a definitely big 10, because I love the colors, I love the consistency, as well as also the pigmentation. And also I love that they're available on Amazon, so that way you guys get fast shipping. But yet again, this is the final result. I definitely hope that you guys enjoyed this collection. And also do not forget to check out the video on these beauties that I did on my nails. Make sure to go check that out if you guys haven't. And again, I hope that you guys enjoyed, and see you guys in the next one.